Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Apple Store billing problem. So as you can see, this is an iPhone, and after that just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and once you're in the settings you will see an interface like this. So just scroll down and find the option called screen time. If you don't see, just scroll a little bit and you will find this option called screen time. You can see the like notifications, sounds, focus and screen time. These are like together. So just find this option called screen time. Once you find it, just click on it, screen time, and after that this is basically the daily usage of your mobile phone. So just scroll down from here, you will see multiple options like downtime, app limits, always allowed, screen distance. So just avoid all of them and scroll down and find this option called content and privacy restrictions. So click on this option, and after that you will see an interface like this. And once you're here, so you just need to find this option called iTunes and App Store purchases. So find this option and go to this option, and once you're here you will see like this interface: installing apps, allow, deleting apps, and here is main option, in-app purchases. So you need to make sure that this option called in-app purchases is set to allow, and if you have set it to don't allow, just make sure that it is set back to allow. And once it is set back, just recheck and hopefully your Apple Store billing problem will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process.